Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Leos, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, guys, Leos, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So let's start with these cards here, guys. We have 9 of spheres in reverse, 4 of suns, and the magician in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, it may be in your career situation or in your personal life situation. You are someone, you are someone talented, skilled, but there is a person in your life today, guys, Leos, who is a dominant. Maybe he has a very important role in your life, but this person is not giving you the right suggestions. Maybe you are listening to them, but whatever they are suggesting you today, it may not be something right or it may not be something positive. So they are trying to manipulate you in some ways, making you listen to them and trying to exploit you. Maybe you are skilled and talented and you are extremely successful. So this person may be trying to exploit you in some ways, guys, and you are unable to say anything against them because they are someone close to you, you feel. So it may be someone from your family or maybe your friend circle. So this person may be your sibling, your parent, or someone older to you, or it may be this person you love. And I also see that you are having people with you today. Maybe your friends have come over to you to meet you. You are spending time with them, having a good time. Or maybe for some of you, they are spending few days with you. Maybe you are taking a holiday with them, spending few days. And it is something like, revisiting your childhood days again, and you are sharing your memories, happy memories with them, or how things went in your life with your friends. So something that is giving you immense contentment and satisfaction today, guys. And maybe for some of you, there are few things, maybe something you did, maybe your mistakes or whatever you did, maybe you would have done something without thinking, or maybe it was not intentional, but you are facing the consequences today. Maybe if you have done something good, what you're getting back is something good. But if you have done something bad, what you're getting back today is something bad, guys. So the consequence for your actions, and maybe you had planned for some collaboration in your work or some partnership. So there are some troubles in that, guys, in your collaboration or partnership. And there are people trying to be too dominating or too controlling today. So again, this may be the same person, or it may be this person you love. So they are trying to dominate you in some ways, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have Astrologer of Spheres in reverse, guys. So with this card in your situation, maybe you have that acceptance. Maybe you are just quiet and you want to just see how things are unfolding today. Maybe whatever this person has done for you, maybe they are trying to dominate your decisions, control you in some ways, but whatever it is, you have that acceptance and you're waiting to see what this person is going to do next. So you have that curiosity to know what they are going to do next. So you are handling your situation in a very balanced mindset. You are not feeling disturbed by whatever they are doing today, guys. And for some of you, maybe you are so relaxed and you have that harmonious, balanced way of doing things today, guys, Leos. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Let's see what is a card for your career situation. It's Neophyte of Moons. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you are someone who is a hard worker. You have your talents and skills, and you learn everything so quickly. You grasp everything so quickly. And today you have goals for yourself to reach, and you're working towards your goals or aspirations, guys. So a positive card, that is what I see, guys. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, Leos. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have 3 cards here and 3 crystals. So you can think about your situation. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card here. This is your first card, second card and third card, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card here. We will keep these cards aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card and this crystal, let's see what it is. We have round and round. So this card just means that in our situation, the spiral quality of events, when something is not being integrated in our life, guys, maybe through our experience, the lessons, what we are supposed to learn. When we do not learn that, we go through that pattern again and again, guys. And this card is a reminder of that. Maybe you feel that in your circumstance today, how you are back here again, maybe in the same kind of situation. Maybe you would have had a similar experience before in your past. So you need not be surprised because you are finding yourself with the same kind of circumstance, with a same type of person, maybe. But you need to understand that in your situation today, what is happening is that universe is trying to guide you or bring that evolution in you, guys, bring that changes in you. That is the reason for things going in a particular way. So maybe you should learn your lessons, what you should not do. You should not do it now. Maybe what you did before, maybe some responses or the way you behaved, you should not repeat that now, guys. So that is what this card means. Maybe today you should handle your situation from a different perspective and respond in a different way. That way you will be able to break this cycle. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So let's keep this card aside. For those who have chosen the second card, guys, sorry guys, this is your second card and second crystal. This is the crystal for y'all and this is the card. So for those who have chosen this crystal, it is Archangel Uriel. So this angel, it guides us to have that clarity, have our own wisdom in any situation, guys. And this guidance is subtle and gentle but very powerful. So maybe we are trying to find solution in some areas. We feel that we are stuck, some kind of confusions or doubts are there, but the answers you seek are right within you. So this guidance, this card comes with a guidance that you will get your answers from within, maybe through some messages, or you may see certain signs in your situation. Something is going to help you out today, something that is going to maybe you may find your answers within yourself, maybe through your intuition or some signs or something in your situation. So that way you will get clarity, guys. So maybe some confusions are there and it is all going to clear out. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this crystal and this card, the second card. So let's see what is the third card, guys. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Seraphos green quartz. So that is the card here. It's a crystal spirit card. So sometimes we are just forcing ourselves towards something we desire. We are working hard, making efforts, but today we have come to an acceptance that what is not supposed to come will never come towards us, or what is not supposed to change will never change, at least not for this moment. So you have your clarity today, and honestly, you know what you can change and what you cannot change in this relationship. So that way you have a clear idea, guys. So you will be able to work with that other person, co-create your dreams and goals, what you desire and what you deserve. So you need to be present, be here this moment in your life today. Maybe if you are sad, you can cry. It's not going to change anything, guys. But you should not forget that universe is your friend and it is guiding you in a particular way, and you are going to feel so much love and so much happy, and you need not worry that this is the end of things. Maybe certain things are not going up to expectation, but you need not worry. Things will change for the better, and there are good things waiting for you, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.